Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2017 Ford Explorer Police Utility with about 94,000 miles that is not ready to be sold. So we have moved to our new location. We're still in the works trying to get it all going, but at least our cars are coming out now. So here's the first one that's going to be coming out. Here we go guys. 2017 Ford Explorer Police Utility. Let's go. All right, here we go. So remember guys, our cars are clean title and you do get 3 months or 3,000 miles limited powertrain service extended warranty, right? 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. Okay, spotlights are Unity LED, fully functional. Has a brand new Weston push bar. Okay, beautiful. You got a brand new sticker there. Okay, so brand new push bumper. Okay. The vehicle is equipped with 245 55 18 tires all around and good tire life remaining. There's two two antennas on top are display only and they're not connected. Okay, we'll start with the outside and we'll work our way into the inside. Perfect. All right. All right, so now let's get to the interior of the vehicle. All right, so driver's door. This door does have a ballistics panel. Okay. You got a dome light on the top. You got red and white. All right, so you also do have some accessory here and accessory mount. So we decided to leave this on because it looks pretty cool. So your mount for your computer, okay? You got some cool cup holders, right? And obviously, yeah, this looks pretty sleek, okay? And so pretty cool setup, okay? Alongside with the actual cage in the back. So let me get to that now, okay? So let's go ahead and open up the back door. Voila! Look at this, guys. We have a Pro Guard cage, brand new back seat, back cage accessory, okay. Now let's do the actual back. There's your Pro Guard back cage accessory. Okay. Perfect. All right. You have these adapters here for your lights. Okay, your mounts. Obviously, it is an all-wheel drive. Oh, we'll go ahead and take that off. Regular gas. All right. Okay, passenger rear door. Awesome. All right, and passenger front door. Perfect. Look how awesome is this. Alright, so now let me show you the engine compartment. Okay, here is the engine compartment. And remember guys, we're not going to pressure wash these engines. We'll just clean it up, but we're never going to pressure wash them. I personally don't. That's against my policy. We want to make sure that the engine is good, and the last thing we want to do is, you know, ruin something on the electrical by putting a bunch of water on it. So cool. So there's your engine compartment, and let me go ahead and turn it on for you. Okay, so the vehicle is on. So now I'm going to be quiet. Like that you get to actually hear the actual engine. Perfect. So there you have it guys, 2017. Actually, let me show you the miles. Oh, I thought you know that I am not messing around. 1 second. 94033 on the miles. 94033. Perfect. So like I was saying guys, if you are interested in sorry guys, we don't edit around here. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call, 909-457-5500, or visit our webpage at www.drivecarsmart.com, where we're going to be putting all these vehicles in the actual website like that. Or if you have some questions regarding what do we have incoming, or what do we have near completion, we're more than happy to help. Cool. All right guys, well thanks for watching, and it's exciting for me because we are at our new location, and this is our first car at our new place. So here we go. All right guys, so thanks for watching. Have a blessed rest of day. Thank you.